Welcome. Let's take a look at how you would collect your time within the HCMtogo mobile app. Once you're logged in, you will see a clock button right at the top of your home screen. Tapping that button will bring you to a screen where you can then tap the clock in button to capture the time that the in punch occurred. The same process would apply if you need to clock out. And if you need to change your cost center, you can click the Change Cost Center button. Now this button might be labeled differently based upon how you are tracking your time worked. For example, you can transfer into different locations, departments, jobs, or even projects throughout your workday. From here, you can select which cost center you will be working in. You can either select from a list of previously worked cost centers, or you can click on the Browse option to view a full list of the available cost centers that you are eligible to select. Once you've made a selection, you will need to save your time entry to post this to your timesheet. You will then receive a confirmation message to let you know that this transaction happened successfully. Keep in mind that depending on your security and access settings, you might be limited on where you can punch. For example, it might be a requirement that you are physically on site in order to recognize the punch. You can also view your full timesheet from within the app as well. Thank you so much for your time, and please contact your company administrator with any questions.